Hello everyone, welcome back to Journal Output. It's me Zainab Altaf, and today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install the new version of iOS 15 on your phone without using PC and without losing any of your data. So the main and important thing is that the great news is that you can install the new version iOS 15 on your phone, which can be iPhone 6s or iPhone SE first generation. So I'm going to install this iOS 15 on my iPhone 6s, which is having iOS 14.6 right now. I also have iPhone 8, but I'm not doing it on because I want to show you that it also supports iPhone 6s and also supports the iPhone SE first generation. So let's do it.